love me like my mother? Who on this earth could love me like my mother? She gave her life as my shield, taught me to stand, never yield. Every breath I take